What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at UAG. They sent some cases out for your boy. So today, we checking out one of my favorite cases, guys. This is the Pathfinder by UAG, but this is a different type of colorway. This is a transparent type colorway, as you can see, with some different color accents. So a real dope and different type case here. If you take a look, we got 18 feet of drop protection, built-in magnet for MagSafe, made from recycled materials. But like I said, Pathfinder, a really, really nice rugged case, and now they got it in a transparent colorway, which is very dope if you want to show off the color of your phone. Let's take a look at the back, and as you can see, feather light composite construction, built-in magnet for MagSafe, enhanced corner protection, tactile grip. Very easy unboxing with UAG. We're just gonna slide it out like so, and as you can see, we got the case. Now, as you can see, the MagSafe ring is like a lime type green, so it's like a gray and lime green mix or play on a transparent case. Very dope little look here. It's a sporty look. Like, this is a sporty type look to me. Like, the combination of lime green and gray, you'll see that a lot of times on like athletic shoes and things of that nature, running shoes, Asics, stuff like that. And I think this looks pretty cool. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. But as you can see, still rugged case, transparent. You can see my hand. Some parts are frosted and have the honeycomb, but you can see through the case. Very rugged still though, guys. As you can see, we got the makeshift Torques that are also gray that match the frame. We got a raised up lip around the camera, UAG branding, and I mean the frame on this case, guys, is just super rugged. I love how they build the frames on these UAG cases. If you take a look, guys, we bolstered up in the corners. See that bolster? If you look from right here, it goes up and over and then comes back down, like nice air type cushion corners, guys. So that, because a lot of times you drop your phone, it's going to drop on the corner, and this is definitely ready for that. Look at the bottom. We got all cutouts on deck and spots for lanyards on each side. You want to hook this case to some type of strap, you could do that also. Biggest part of drop protection is the grip, guys, because this will stop you from dropping your device in the first place. You got grip on each side, and look at this button press. Love the UAG button press. Nice protruding buttons with symbols. That's dope. Like, even though I like individual buttons where they really take a button like an aluminum button and put it in the case, but if you're going to build a button out of the case, out of the side of the case, out of this like polycarbonate material that's attached to the case, make sure your buttons stick out far enough where I can find it easy when I'm trying to volume up, volume down, or use the action button. And then also make sure you got slits so it don't make the button a hard press. Same thing going on this side. Nice power button, protruding, nice slits, got a symbol on there. Then you got a big cutout for your camera control. And you still got a little grip going on this side. Now this case has a polycarbonate feel to it, but still just a teeny bit flimsy. Now here we go, got the 16 Pro and the Pathfinder, guys. Nice and raised up around the camera. And as you can see, we got, like I said, in the corners, nice and protected, ready to take a drop, ready to absorb a drop in the corners, definitely bolstered up. UAG brand, and you can see my desert titanium still through the transparent colorway. All cutouts on deck and big enough. Nice, easy tactile button press. And even though this case is very rugged, guys, it's not, it stays pretty minimal in hand, honestly. It's not a super, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the device. And you got a large lip on the front of the device, raised lip past the display, and that's what you want. You want a nice raised lip, so if you drop this device on a face, that the case will take the impact instead of the display. And you got a rather large raised lip on the front of the case, so that's also a nice touch. Now I'm going to go ahead and test the MagSafe powers on the Pathfinder. Got a ring holder in here, only holding the ring holder. Snaps right on. And it's not fall. It almost picked the phone up off the table, guys, but it's not falling off. Nice and sturdy. Yeah, but the Pathfinder, guys, you can find this in many colorways. Very protective case. Doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. It's just a cool, unique, rugged type styling from UAG that they've been doing for years. And these cases last and look good for a while, guys. Like some of the best at lasting for a while and looking like they look when you got them out the package. I'm going to be honest with you because I've been using these cases for probably 10 plus years, guys. But it's your boy BG. If you want to check this out, I'll put a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.